Okay, 5 minutes after I recorded the last video, storm clouds were looking rather ominous, but it wasn't raining. And less than 5 minutes later, we've got this. Look at it. Phnom Penh, Cambodia. It's called batten down the hatches time. Look at this guy down here on the bike. He's brave or foolish. Oh God. Amazing. When it rains, it pours. Now you could look at it two ways if you wanted to take a lesson or a parable from this. One is that you never know when the storms are going to hit. So don't be complacent. Always arm yourself, like bulletproof yourself as best you can, because you just don't know when the good times are going to end. On the other side, you could say, if you live in an area that's had a big drought, this storm would represent great news, wouldn't it? A deluge is exactly what you'd be wanting, and all the farmers and, gardeners, people like that, they want a deluge. Depends on which way you're coming from and how you're looking at it. There's a tuk-tuk down there. He's looking for more shelter. If this keeps going for more than, I'd say, 20 minutes, there's going to be some local flooding issues because it's torrential, and the drainage system, no way can the drainage system keep up with this. So be ever vigilant. Don't be complacent. If you've got goals and you're not reaching them, don't be complacent. Break through the pain barrier and just, make it happen. Make it happen. You just never know when things are going to turn bad again. Okay.